Jesus Christ. Seriously? This thing can take a beating. God. Ah, man. Still working. This is a GoPro, man. I think I'm done for today. Oh, actually no. Come on. I have to glue this thing. Still working. The only thing it broke is the protection. Didn't broke the camera. Didn't broke the camera. I broke the windscreen, the screen protector. Yeah, Chinese stuff. Okay. We back on the road? Can we finish the vlog? I thought I lost the camera. I'm glad I was really slow. Hello. I was really slow. I'm glad it was on this road, not on another road, on another different road. I'll have to super glue the screw. Yeah. Or I'll put a lanyard in the camera, just in case. God. That was scary. That was really, really scary. So there you go. This was... I'm just thinking one thing. I'm curious if when the car hit it, I'm curious if it was upside down or upside up. Because if it was upside up, you can see the car, can you? Because I saw it wobbling, and I went with my hand to see if it was loose. It wasn't really, but in the meantime, it became loose. I'm so lucky that I found it. Imagine on a motorway. That's another reason why I don't like motorways. Please note, this is a cheap Chinese clip, 360 degrees, which is handy. It's very good. This never happened to me before, and I do this for a long time. I do this for years. I'm going to super glue it as soon as I get home. That was not funny. Actually, it was. It all goes with experience, yeah? There you go. There's always a first time for everything. This was mine. My camera was hit by a car. That's a good title. And survived. I completely forgot what I was talking about before. Yeah, the camera is all muddy now. I'll have to give it a wash. Hopefully it's still waterproof. Hopefully it didn't break the glass. I hope not. I don't think it did. But it broke, definitely broke the screen protector. Not screen protector, lens protector. I think in 30 years, I think it was the first time that I lost something in the... Well, I didn't lose it, but that something came loose from my bike. In 30 years. I don't remember... Yeah, I don't remember any other time that this happened. This had happened. I don't remember any other time. I think this was the first time that something came loose on my bike. God. I'm laughing because I found the camera. If not, I was crying. While I was trying to find the camera, I was thinking, well, I will get back to my old GoPro. Can't wait for the sun to come out and take both GoPros with me. That'll be good. I'm in Winchester now. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.